Hey, oh, 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 it's magic, you know. It's a magic month, baby. So we are here to do a cash stuffing for the second paycheck of December, and I still got one more, yeah. All right, let's just get into it because that was probably extremely terrible. Okay, let's start with rollover. Let's do the change first. I typically forget that, so I'm proud of myself for remembering this time. Not a whole lot, a decent amount, I guess. And it is nearing the end of the year, you guys, so it's almost time to cash this bad boy in. I can't believe this is a year's worth of change. It looks like nothing, but like I said, it is really heavy. You know, I guess when you don't spend a lot with cash, you don't get a lot of change, right? So if I spent more with cash, I guess this would be more full, but it isn't. But what are you gonna do? I'm very curious to see how much that is. Okay, let's talk about rollover. Let's see what we got. Okay, so you guys, look at this dollar. I got this dollar when I did my mini madness. I gave my husband 5s or 10s or whatever to exchange for 1s, and it is disgusting. Like, somebody burned it. Like, it is gross. So I went to CVS this morning and I had to get lotion, and I tried like heck to use this, but the machine would not take it. I did like an automatic checkout. So I'm stuck with this gross looking thing. Okay. Let's see what we had here. Not too much left in fun, it doesn't look like. So we have 25, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. 54. And the reason I have this disgusting dollar in here instead of using it for mini madness is because I was like, oh, I'll switch a dollar out. That way I could spend that one and have a nicer one in mini madness, but just didn't work out. So there's that. In kids, we have $10, $11, and $12. Let's see, dining. I did go, not this past weekend, but the weekend before, to Chris Kindle Mart, I think is how you say it, in New Jersey, and that was fun, but I did spend, so, you know, that's why I have a little bit less here. 20, 35, 45, 55, 65, 66, 67, not bad. I did also put some stuff on the card, like we went out to lunch and I just had everybody give me cash. And then I paid with my card because I wanted to have cash, like extra cash, just in case. So it kind of all evened out, I would say. And then miscellaneous, still the full 40. So nice. Let's see how much we have here in total. I should put my sort quick on. If you are new, hi, welcome. First of all, thank you for clicking on the video. My name is Wendy, and I do not plan out my videos. I just hit that record button and go, baby. So, welcome to whatever this is. And if you're returning, of course, a big thank you to you as well for taking the time out to watch the video. Now that I think about it, did I actually hit record? Okay, I did. Whew. All right, let's see how much rollover we have here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 5, 45, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3. What was that, 173? 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, I don't know, 173, I guess. So nice. That is a really good amount. And I think I might go into my not magic minis, I'm thinking of Lizzie, my mini madness binder and exchange some ones because I happen to have a ton of 5s here. So, yeah, maybe I'll do that too. But this money I set aside, and this goes towards savings challenges. So I'm just going to put it here to the side, and I will probably forget what it's there for because, you know, that's just me. So let's get on with it. We are working with 280 today. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280. And we are not doing a whole lot today. So let's open the planner. This is my seasonal undated budget planner. In case you happen to be interested in it, it is full color inside. Every month has a different theme. So for December, we are working on this kind of like pink Santa Claus theme, and this is available on Amazon if you happen to like it. It is linked down below in my description box of every video, and I also have a more neutral one that has like a black and white kind of marble theme, so that's down there as well. Okay, so we are just stuffing the wallet and one sinking fund today because next paycheck is going to be the heavy hitter when it comes to sinking funds, and I'm so excited. So fun is going to get 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40. These amounts never ever change, so you know. Kids gets 20, dining gets 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. And miscellaneous gets 40. So that's it. That's all the cash. And then I'm just now realizing I forgot to grab my prop money. So let me grab that. Okay, so as I said, just one sinking fund today. We are going to do $40 into subscriptions. And I get to start with my new sinking fund envelope. So that is going to be exciting. So let me grab 40 out of here. And I do not remember which binder it is in. So bear with me a second here. Okay, here we go. All right, so subscriptions. Let's add $40. Okay, and now in here we have 100, 200, 20, 45. 245, which is wonderful. This is spent, my Supernatural subscription, which is a VR fitness game. That is actually coming out in like just under 10 days, I think. So I have to pull about 100 or a little more of this out of savings. So I did put the 40 in there just to start trying to build this back up a little bit, but that is good. And that's it for the stuffing, you guys. I finished, or I'm almost basically finished with a brand new Etsy item, and I am so pumped over it. But I have one more idea for something that I want to try to make it happen, and it's something really kind of like detailed, and it's probably going to take a little bit. So I don't want to release this item until I know if that item's going to work, because I would like to do a video with both items. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. What else is on the horizon? I don't know. I'm going to film another mini madness video right now. And then I'm going to film my savings challenges. And I guess that's it. Yeah, short and sweet one today. So thank you so much for coming along with me on my journey. I appreciate all of the support from everyone, and I will see you in the next one.